I am Heena Salgaonkar and I come all the way from Norway just for this Diva pageant. I heard about this pageant in 2016, but then I was not able to take part in that due to some personal reasons. But now in 2025, I was all prepared to come for this journey to make it more exciting for me as an individual. And throughout this journey, I have seen a lot of faces that how a woman can evolve from like a homemaker, from being a manager or whatever in the field into a diva. And I am really very happy to be here. From last few days, whatever I have spent here, I have learned a lot through the Anjana ma'am, through Carl sir, through Cecilia, and my mates who were with me. I think 54 females are there. Everybody has their own set of talent, and I am really happy to be here. I think the next 2 days also will be much more exciting. I'm pretty excited about it, and I look forward to see who is the next queen. Yeah.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fake.
So I'm going to perform on Ekadantaya, Bharatanatyam. This song is dear to me because this was my first dance performance with my 9-year-old daughter, and I really miss her today.
Sometimes like all you want to do is run. support is Heena Salgaonkar.
In the world of buzz, I am the only buzz. I am a Bharatnatyam and a Kathak dancer. Ladies and gentlemen, myself Heena Salgaonkar, all the way from Norway, a city of snow, rooted in India, resonating with the world. Proud to be a daughter of retired Indian Navy officer, disciplined by upbringing and driven by passion. I stand here today fueled not just by science and technology, but by self-belief. I believe in, dare to dream, let the imagination soar. The canvas is yours, create even more.
Bounce back, you know I bounce back. Fell a couple times, but I always bounce back. Bounce back, you know I bounce back. You can't stop my grind, cause I always bounce back. Coming through hotter than you ever seen before. Don't need an elevator to level up any floors. You wanna see more? Then let me show you. Couldn't walk a mile in these shoes for what I've gone through. Bounce back, you know I bounce back. Fell a couple times, but I always bounce back. Bounce back, you know I bounce back. You can't stop my grind, cause I always bounce back. You can't stop me, you can't stop me, you can't stop me. I'ma bounce back.
You know what color best represents your personality and why?
It's an interesting question. I would say it's royal blue, because as royal blue is bold and bright, it represents my personality in confidence, and I become the most beautiful woman, and that is right.